Hey, what's up guys? JP here with J.P.BBQ, bringing you another video this weekend. And this weekend we are going to be doing something special, something we've never done before. Okay, what we're going to be making this weekend is whiskey ribs. So if you've never had whiskey ribs before, well, that makes two of us. Come along on this wonderful journey and I'll show you how we get these whiskey ribs made up. Gotta get these ribs ready, and the first thing we gotta do is take that membrane off the back. Anytime you're gonna be doing ribs and you're gonna marinate them, it's best to take the membrane off the back. Next step we gotta do is put a little bit of olive oil on there. That way it gives us a nice binder and our rub can actually stick to it. So we'll put a little bit of olive oil. We are gonna be using two different types of whiskeys. We're going to be using Southern Comfort on one rack of ribs, and then we're going to be using Crown Royal on another rack of ribs. So this is kind of like doing a comparison, like let's see which whiskey tastes a little bit better. And the other rack, we're just going to leave that alone. That's going to be just plain. That's going to be for the kids, you know, the kids ribs, we'll call it. Ooh, can you guys see that? Look how the color starts to, you know, come out through it. Man, it looks fantastic. Let me get these bad boys right here flipped. These are gonna come out fantastic. I can't wait to see what it comes out like. But do you guys see that fantastic color on it? Look at that. Man, it has taken on a really nice, beautiful red mahogany color. These ribs are gonna come out good. Can't wait to put the whiskey on it. We got these ribs seasoned up with our JP-licious rub. Now it's time to get them marinated with this Southern Comfort and this Crown Royal, and vacuum seal them and save them for tomorrow. Tomorrow we're gonna put them on the smoker and we'll see how they come out. Hey, what's up guys? It's Saturday morning. It's a beautiful sunny day. I got my two Masterbuilts out here fired up, and it's time to get these ribs that have been marinating in this Crown Royal and this Southern Comfort all night long in the smoker. We're gonna start off with the Crown first, and see how they come out. There we go. Take a whiff. Oh man, that smells good. We're gonna put the Crown over here on this Masterbuilt. Southern Comfort goes over here, and we'll throw the kids anywhere. Wow, would you look at that? It's taking on a beautiful color. I don't know if you guys can see that, but man, it looks gorgeous. And pour me a shot of this Crown Royal. Here's my Crown Royal. There we go. And there's our first one. We'll get that one put back in, and we're gonna do the same thing with that second one. Make up our second boat. And this one's gonna be Southern Comfort. Both of these whiskeys, to be truthful, are very good whiskeys. I like them both. There we go. And we're gonna crank up the temperature to 275 and let it smoke for about 2 hours. We're gonna take them out, See how much juices we've collected, and try to mix it in with just a little bit more Crown Royal and Southern Comfort, and then put them back in there and let them not marinate, but let them glaze over, maybe caramelize, and give it that extra additional flavor. And just dab it on here. We're gonna put them back inside the smoker for about another hour. We've been smoking these ribs for 6 hours now, and here's what they look like. We got the kids' ribs back here in the back, then we got the Crown, and then we got the Southern Comfort. And I'm not 100% sure if you guys can see this or not, but the Southern Comfort ribs look so much more moist. I'm not sure if maybe they just have more fat, or if maybe the Southern Comfort has something to do with it. But moment of truth, guys, because it's fixing to storm here in Central Florida, we're gonna cut into these ribs and see what they look like. I'm gonna cut us a little piece over here. Well, not a little piece, that's a big piece. And they are super tender. We cut this one over here, and Mama's waiting right here. She wants to try one of these ribs out. So does Daddy. That looks very, very moist. Let's go with the Crown first. Oh, look at that, guys. Does that look good or what? I mean, that looks absolutely, oh my goodness. Look at this side of it. It is absolutely moist and tender. I mean, very, very moist. Look at this. It just falls right off the bone. Wow, that is super hot. I'm gonna put that bone over here, and I'm gonna just cut me a little piece right here. Cut a little piece for Mama. Here you go, Mom. Tell me what you think. Yep. You can taste the alcohol for sure. Just got a little bit of different flavor. We're gonna cut and take a look at this Southern Comfort. I don't know, guys. Southern Comfort, look at that, Mama. Is that juice? Oh my goodness. That is very, very juicy. I wanna cut. And it's the same thing, falling right off the bone. So we'll put that bone over there. There's a little piece right there for you, Mama. It is hot, be careful. And let's try this Southern Comfort out. You can definitely tell the difference with Southern Comfort. I don't know if maybe it's got caramel in it or something, but there's a much sweeter taste, and the ribs themselves, they're much more moist. But that's it, guys. That's my Crown Royal Southern Comfort rack of ribs that we did this weekend. It's time to eat. Good or bad, they taste good. I don't want to say they're bad, they're just different than what we're used to. But we're gonna eat them. So anyway, but besides that, guys, I appreciate you guys watching my channel. Appreciate if you guys give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button over there on the side. And as always, feel free to share this video with your friends. And again, I appreciate you guys very much, and I will see you on the next cookout.